Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is all about angle pairs. And we're going to identify each marked angle pair as complementary. We will write C. Supplementary, we will write S. Vertical, we will write V. Adjacent angles, we write A. And linear pair, we write LP. Now, once again, class, before answering this one, class, is you need to understand more what are those angle pairs. This is already part 2 of our video class. The part 1 of our video, we explain about angle pairs. And I will just put the link on the description down below, class. You need to see the first video class before answering this one. Alright, so the next part of our video class, the part 3, we will be answering this one. You have given angles, and you're going to name two angles that are complementary. Name angles supplementary to angle BOA, and many more example class. But do not be worried class, because we will be explaining this one step by step. And let's have a short recap with regards to adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, vertical angles, and the linear pair. So let's start with adjacent angles. Now for adjacent angles class, if you have two angles, now this angle right here class is adjacent to this angle. Now question, sir, why do you call these two angles adjacent angles? Now we call these two angles class adjacent angles if they share common vertex. So this is the vertex, common vertex, and they share common side. When they share common vertex and they share common side, these two angles class is what we call adjacent angles. So once again, these two angles are adjacent angles because they share common vertex and they share common side. Now, what are those complementary angles? So once again, these are adjacent angles. Now, what are those complementary angles? Now, complementary angles class, two angles add up to 90 degrees. Let's give an example class. Now, if you have this kind of illustration, alright, and you have this kind of marking, of course, we know that this marking class represents 90 degrees angle. And you divide this one class, you will have two angles. Okay, all in all, you have two angles. So this angle right here and this angle. Now question, are these two angles complementary angles? Yup, they are complementary angles because with regards to this marking, we know that this all angle will be 90 degrees. Okay, this all angle will be 90 degrees. So the two angles class are complementary angles. Because when you add the two angles, it should be 90 degrees based on this marking. So therefore, we can say that the two angles are complementary angles. So let's give an example. If this is 49 degrees, of course, this will be 41 degrees. Because 41 plus 49, that's 90 degrees. Now, question, sir. Can we call this one adjacent angles? Are the two angles adjacent angles? Yup, they are adjacent angles. Why is that, sir? Because they share common vertex. This is the common vertex. And they share common side. Therefore, this angle right here, class, is adjacent to this angle. Okay, this angle is adjacent to this angle because they share common vertex and they share common side. So therefore, this example number 2, we have this is complementary angles as well as this is an adjacent angle. Okay, complementary angle and adjacent angle. Now, what if you have example like this? Let's have another example for complementary angles. Alright, this is 48 degrees. And this will be 42 degrees. Question, can we call this one adjacent angles? Nope. They are not adjacent angles, class, because the two angles are too far from each other. Okay, they don't share common vertex. Okay, this is the vertex here and another vertex. They don't share common vertex. Next question, can we call this one complementary angles? Yup, we can call this one complementary angles because if you add the two angles, that would be 90 degrees, right? 48 plus 42, that would be 90 degrees. Therefore, these two angles are complementary angles. So I hope it's clear for you, class, with regards to adjacent angles and complementary angles. Now, let's have example for supplementary angles. Now, supplementary angles, class, when two angles add up to 180 degrees. Example, sir. Okay, let me give an example. If you have this kind of illustration and you have two angles, Of course, you know that if you have a straight line, you can form a straight angle, and a straight angle, it's always 180 degrees. Once again, class, if you have a straight line, you can form a straight angle, and a straight angle, it's always 180 degrees. So therefore, we have a straight line, we can form a straight angle, so therefore this angle and this angle are supplementary angles. Okay, this angle and this angle are supplementary angles. Now, question, sir, what are those linear pair? Now, linear pair, class, are two adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees. We already explained that one, class, on the first part of our video, what would be the difference between the linear pair and supplementary angles, because many of the students, class, are so confused with the difference between the linear pair and supplementary angles because they both add up to 180 degrees. But the difference, class, the linear pair, it must be adjacent angles. Okay, it must be adjacent angles that add up to 180 degrees. So therefore, class, in this scenario right here, we can call this one supplementary angles because if you add the two angles, it would be equal to 180 degrees. So we can call this one supplementary angles. Now question, next question, can we call this one linear pair? Are these two angles, class, adjacent angles? Yup, they are adjacent angles because they share common vertex and they share common side. So these two angles are adjacent angles and they add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, we can call this one linear pair. Okay, we can call this one supplementary angles. We can call this one linear pair. Now, let me give you another example, class, with regards to this one. To add up 180 degrees. What if you have example like this? Okay, this is 130 degrees. And this will be 50 degrees. Now, question, can we call this one linear pair? When you add the two angles, they sum up to 180 degrees. That's correct. They add up to 180 degrees. Now, question, can we call this one linear pair? Nope, we cannot call this one linear pair because they are not adjacent angles. Once again, linear pair, it should be two adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees. And they add up to 180 degrees, but they are not adjacent angles. Once again, they are not adjacent angles because they don't share common vertex, as well as they don't share common side. Okay, so this is not a linear pair. Next question, can we call this one supplementary angles? Yup, we can call this one supplementary angles because if you add the two angles, you will have 180 degrees. Okay, the sum of these two angles, that would be 180 degrees. Therefore, this is supplementary angles, but it is not a linear pair. Only S, class. So, very different, class, for this one. So, I hope you understand, class, with regards to the linear pair and the supplementary angles. So, last one, vertical angles. Now, vertical angles, two angles that is opposite to each other. So, this angle right here and this angle, this is what we call vertical angles. Opposite to each other, class, we call that one vertical angles. Alright, and this angle right here is opposite to this angle. Now, these two angles are vertical angles. Alright, so if you understand, a short recap with regards to adjacent angles, complementary angles, okay, vertical angles, supplementary angles, and the linear pair, we will be answering this one. Alright, let's start with number one. So, can we call this one adjacent angles? Yup, because they share common vertex and they share common side. So, this is adjacent angles. Can we call this one complementary angles? Do they add up to 90 degrees? Nope. You are not sure, class, that they add up to 90 degrees. We don't have the markings that it will add up to 90 degrees. So, it's only adjacent angles for number one. Alright, so number two. These two given angles with regards to this marking. Can we call this one? What is this one, class? That's correct. It should be vertical angles because the two angles are opposite to each other. So, we will have V, vertical angles. Now, for number three, can we call this one adjacent angles? Though they share common vertex and they share common side? Yup. They share common vertex and they share common side. So, this will be adjacent angles. Alright, and what is this? Can we call this one complementary angles? Do the two angles add up to 90 degrees? Yup. They will add up to 90 degrees based on this given markings. They will add 90 degrees Because this marking right here, class, it means 90 degrees angle. So when you add these two angles, it should be equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, these two angles are complementary angles. So we will also write C. Alright, so therefore, number 3, we have two answers. It should be adjacent angles, and it could be a complementary angles. Okay, adjacent angles and complementary angles. Alright, example number 4. Can we call this one supplementary angles? Yup, you can call that one supplementary angles because we have a straight line, and a straight line we can form a straight angle, and a straight angle it's always 180 degrees. Therefore, the sum of these two angles, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Because of the straight line, we can form a straight angle. So this is supplementary angles. Now, next question, can we call this one linear pair? Can we call this one linear pair? Yup, we can call that one linear pair because if you add the two angles, it is 180 degrees, and these two angles are adjacent angles because they share common vertex and they share common side. Alright, so this is also linear pair. So the two angles are supplementary angles, and the two angles, that would be linear pair. Alright, so number 5, 48 degrees and 42 degrees. Can we call this one adjacent angles? Nope, we cannot call that one adjacent angles because they don't share common vertex. Now, next question, can we call this one complementary angles? Do the two angles add up to 90 degrees? Yup, they add up to 90 degrees. 48 plus 42, that's 90 degrees. Therefore, the two angles are complementary angles. Number 6, can we call this one supplementary angles? Now, questions class, number 6. Are these vertical angles? Nope, it's not. Okay, the two angles are not opposite to each other. These are not vertical angles. If the angle marking class is this one, of course, this will be vertical angles. But these two angles class, it's not vertical angles. Now, next question, can we call this one supplementary angles? Yup, because we have a straight line. Okay, we have this straight line. And the straight line, you can form a straight angle. And a straight angle, it's always 180 degrees. Therefore, when you add these two angles, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, these two angles are supplementary angles. This angle plus this angle, it should be equal to 180 degrees. So, supplementary angles. Next question, can we call this one linear pair? They both add up to 180 degrees. So, once again, for linear pair, you will have two adjacent angles that add up to 180 degrees. Okay, two angles must be adjacent and they add up to 180 degrees. Alright, so can we call this one adjacent angles? Yup, because they share common vertex and they share common side. So therefore, this is also linear pair. Okay, once again, adjacent angles and then they add up to 180 degrees. We call that one linear pair. Alright, for number 7 class, can we call this one adjacent angles? Nope. Okay, they share common vertex, but they don't share common side. So we cannot call these two angles adjacent angles. So what would be the answer, class, for number 7? You tried that one, class, number 7? Yup, that's correct. It should be vertical angles. Alright, so number 8, class, you try number 8. Check if it's supplementary angles only or linear pair. You try number 8, class, and you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand this topic for number 8. If you have questions with this one, class, with regards to angle pairs, go ahead, class. Feel free to put a comment in the comment section down below, or you can ask questions there. So once again, class, I hope you learned something new today with regards to angle pairs. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, class, this is Teacher MJ. You have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.